Are you ready? It's okay. No, ow. Alright.
Okay.
We're gonna do this, Otis. We have to do this. Give me him. I'm gonna set him on the pan.
Shit. Otis, let go! Baby!
It's okay. See? It's okay.
Okay, alright, let me just hold him up. Just hold him out your finger. Don't you come at me, you little devil. Oh my god! Okay. He wasn't this bad when I did it.
Okay, it's okay.
What if we did it in the sink? No, that won't be easier. Okay, do you want me to
I'm just
hold
gonna
him?
set him. Yeah, I want you to hold him. Baby. Okay, here we go. Let me take this. It's okay. There. Hey. Oh my god. It's okay.
It's okay. You're doing okay.
You're gonna like this part.
Yeah. Try to get his head. Okay. Like, try to get, if you can get like in it, like, yeah. That's good. You're doing so good, baby. You just lather him up. Doing good, Jessica. How's your finger? Okay. I just feel so bad for you, Otis.
It's okay.
Sweet angel Odie.
He's doing good. We're almost done, Otis, okay? Baby, we're almost done.
I know. Oh boy.
It's okay, Otis.
Baby, it's okay. I think he likes that pot.
Yeah, I'm gonna move it. Hold on, Otis. Hold on, sweet. Sweet baby, I know.
Oh. Oh shit. He made it. Oh, just let go, baby. It hurts. Nope. Just, uh-oh. Okay. Well, just hold on. Oh boy. Okay. He's gonna attack.
Okay, let him go.
Wait, is he all
Yeah.
clean? Okay, give me a towel. Hold on. Okay. Just wrap him up.
So sorry, Otis. Never seen you make such noises or hurt you.
Okay.
See, don't worry for the little snuggle.
Oh my god, the fleas are coming to the surface. Okay. Oh, his little paw stuck.
No, they're just crazy.
Okay.
Hi, baby. Can you grab him when they're there?
I think so.
I couldn't grab it yet.
How was that? Is it still going? It's still going.